Respected Sri Aga Syed Ruhullah Mehdi, Honorable Minister for Information Technology, Government of Jammu and Kashmir, John Samuel, President Verizon, our principal sponsor for the day, Vidya Aditya, Director General, Certifying Authority, Government of India, Srimati Mahapara Ali, the Chief General Manager, State Bank of India, and my dear friend, Zaki Qureshi, who also happens to be the TiE Charter Member, Hyderabad. I'll take a couple of minutes to explain what TiE is all about. TiE basically represents the Indus entrepreneurs. It's probably the largest non-profit organization representing entrepreneurship and supporting entrepreneurship. Started in the Silicon Valley. As on today, there are more than 54 chapters and 8 chapters in India. Hyderabad probably happens to be the second largest chapter. We basically have charter members and associate members and student members. In Hyderabad, for example, we have 135 charter members, around 300 associate members. Globally, there are around 5,400 charter members, probably responsible for more than $40 billion worth enterprise creation. TiE basically represents, our main focus is, unlike the other industry bodies which work with the government lobbying, TiE basically works on education, networking, and mentorship. These are the traditional activities of TiE chapter, basically promoting entrepreneurship, all these activities, whether it's education, networking, or mentoring, to foster entrepreneurship. And we encourage our charter members to take up initiatives in these 3 particular areas. For example, Jackie is an expert in cybersecurity, so people like him volunteer to bring their expertise to would-be entrepreneurs so that entrepreneurship gets fostered. In addition to these activities, TiE has started 2 new initiatives, probably for the TiE itself they are new. One is on the so-called Hyderabad Angels. In Hyderabad, we felt that a lot of education activities are going, networking and mentorship, but what we found missing is the angel investment of startup funds. So Hyderabad Angels is the second angel network in the country, or third angel network after Mumbai Angels and the Indian Angel Network of Delhi. This is a third formal angel network promoting entrepreneurship. The other initiative we have is called the TiE Buddies. It will be starting off, last year we started a very informal way, and this year, in June, we'll be starting a 1-year program for students in 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th. And again, it's some kind of a program to instill an entrepreneurship culture in small kids in India. Probably this will be one of the few centers in the entire world where TiE organization has started this program. This TiE Buddies will have various programs like shadowing a CEO or activities like that. So these are the 2 new initiatives of Hyderabad chapter, the TiE Buddies and the Hyderabad Angel Network. With this small introduction about TiE, I would like to again congratulate Zaki Qureshi and the principal sponsors, Verizon, for making this event happen. Thank you all.